Hello, my name's Kerry Cooper and I'm a director of British Event Catering along with my son and son-in-law. We've grown the business for the last 35 years. We can take on any event that you may have, whether it be large or small. The food quality and presentation of our staff and catering units is paramount to our business and our success. So if you're looking for an event caterer to take control of your event, please book British Event Catering.